This is our last lesson in the percents unit. So congratulations, you've almost made it. This is kind of where it all comes together, multi-step problems with percents. It's the last one in the IXL unit. So it kind of all comes together. But it's a couple, let's just see how it goes. I think we got this. So, number one, Alex bought a lamp that was marked down 80% from an original price of $100. If he paid 10% sales tax, what was the total cost of the lamp? So, if it was marked down 80%, that means that we need to find 80% of, it doesn't look like of, before you get mad at me. Mrs. Turner, what did that word say? Whatever. So we know that 80% of 100 we can rewrite as 0.80 times 100. And if we multiply that together, 0.80 times 100, just pretending to put this in my calculator, that's 80. So it's $80 off. So then 100 minus 80 is 20. Okay, so let's think that through logically. So the lamp is now $20. The lamp was marked down 80% from an original price of $100. So the lamp is now $20 for the lamp. I love lamp. If he paid 10% sales tax, what was the total cost of the lamp? So now we need 10%. So this is the markdown. And now this is the sales tax. 10% of 20 is now 0.10 times 20, which is 2. So then the total cost of the lamp is going to be the $20, which it is after the discount, plus the $2 for the tax. So it's $22 total. What a deal. All right. Mackie ordered a meal that cost $20. Mackie paid 10% sales tax and left a 20% tip on the $20 itself. What was the total cost? Okay, so the tax is going to be 10% of 20, which is 0.10 times 20. And the trick for 10% is you just move the decimal point in once. So that's 2. The tip is 20%. It's a good tip to leave. FYI. 20% of 20. So that's 0.20 times 20. So it's just 10% twice. So 10% was 2. Twice of 2 is 4. 2 and 4. So his meal was $20 plus $2 for tax plus $4 for tip is going to be 26 total. All right, not bad, not bad. All right, Craig bought a rocking chair originally priced at $100, but on sale for 40% off. So, sale, 40% of 100, so that's 0.40 times 100, which gives us 40. So that means he's saving $40. So then we do $100 minus $40 to get $60. So that's how much the rocking chair costs. Now we need the tax, which is 5%. So we want 5% of 60. So that's 0.05 times 60, which is $1.50. 3. Went too far. So that's 3. So his chair was $60 plus $3 in tax is $63 that he paid. Lucky guy. Instead of 105. Okay. A store purchased a hammer and marked it up 100% from the original cost of $10.25. A week later, the store placed the hammer on sale for 70% off. What was the discount price? Okay, so the markup is 100% of 1025. So that's going to be 1 times 1025, which is 1025. So really they're just doubling it. So I do 1025 the original plus 1025 the markup, and I get 20.50. So that's how much the hammer costs at the store is $20.50. So now we have the sale. So now I want to know what 70% of 2050 is. So I do 0.70 times 2050. Like, why can't this just give me a beautiful, what's the movie thing? 0.7 times 2050 is 14.35. That's how much they're taking off of it. They're taking 70% off. So then we have to do 2050 minus 14.35. And that's 6.15. Well, they're selling it for even less than they bought it for. I guess times are tough. Why can't this be a beautiful? Oh, now here we are. I have to click it first. While Owen was visiting his sister in Hampton, he bought a fountain that was marked down 55% from an original price of $952.47. If the sales tax in Hampton is 9.75%, what is the total cost of the fountain? This feels bougie, but here we are. All right, let's do it. Markdown. Just saying, if you got fountain money, why are you worrying about a markdown? But here we go. 55% of 952.47. So 0.55 times 952.47. 523.86. So now I have to subtract. It's the same stuff that we've been doing, we just have more numbers now. So it's easier to make a mistake. 428.61. And then now we need the tax. 9.75% of 428.61. So that's 0.0975. 428.61. Which is 41.79. And now I add them together. So the cost of the fountain after the discount plus the sales tax $470 and 40 cents. Well, what a guy. All right, and then the last one. Beth and her family ordered a meal that cost $359.44. Beth paid $6.25 in sales tax and left an 18% tip on $359.44. What was the total cost? All right. So for the tax, that's it's an extra one. Is that what I'm gonna say? Cool. 6.25% on just the meal itself. $359.44. So that's 0.0625 times $359.44, which is $22.47. All right, so that's just the tax. Now to calculate how much the tip is, that's 18% of $359.44. You don't have to tip on the tax part. So that's 0.18 times $359.44, which is $64.70. So now we have the meal itself, $359.44 plus the tax, $22.47 plus the tip, $64.70. We add that all together. That is very expensive. Beth's family's got some money, or it was a special occasion. I don't. $400. $446.61. It was her graduation meal when restaurants were open. Sensitive, sorry. All right, so those were 6 examples for multi-step problems with percents, Algebra 1 D9. If you need help, you can come to Google Meet on Wednesday at 2:15. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye!